Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and an easy recipe of making toffee balls using just 3 ingredients. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. And for this you need some cashew nuts, 200 ml fresh cream and 100 grams chocolate. That is compound chocolate. I'm using this milk compound chocolate. So I'm going to cut this into pieces like this. If you still want it fine into small flakes, you can do this. So as we all know, we all are always running out of time, so I prefer doing it the faster way, cutting it into these pieces, as cutting it into flakes is a little time consuming. So here I have cut my chocolate, which is going to look somewhat like this. So take any non-stick vessel and keep it on low flame. So now let's add in the two main ingredients, that is the fresh cream and the chocolate. Empty the full 200 ml content of the fresh cream into your vessel. So now let's add in the chopped chocolate. And continuously keep stirring it till the chocolate melts well in the fresh cream. You can see how nicely it has already started melting. See that you don't increase the flame, or else there are chances that it might get burnt. See how beautifully it has melted into the fresh cream. There's no need to add sugar to this recipe, as the chocolate itself is sweet enough. So with these two ingredients you can get delicious and yummy chocolate balls. So as you can see, the chocolate has well melted into the fresh cream. So keep stirring it till it thickens and starts to separate from the walls of the vessel. At this stage, when the chocolate has completely melted in the fresh cream, you can increase the flame. As you can see, it has started to thicken. If you have got those chocolate silicone molds, you can keep this consistency. What I am going to do is, I am going to make it into chocolate balls. So I want my batter a little thicker. If you've got chocolate molds, you can keep this consistency and directly pour it into the chocolate molds to get the desired shape. Since I won't be using the silicone molds, I want my batter to be a little thick. So keep it on the flame for at least 5 to 8 minutes. So keep stirring it till you get this consistency. Can you see? It is not sticking to the walls of the vessel. It has completely become like a thick mixture. See. So this is what we want to see. Let's allow it to cool now. Now let's allow this mixture to cool completely, and then we can go to the next step of rolling them into balls. So now the mixture is completely cooled, as you can see. So at this stage I am going to add in this chopped cashew nuts and mix it well. As you can see, the mixture is well thickened. This will help us to roll it into the desired shape. So now it's time to make the balls. So take a spoon. So and I take this mixture, take it into my palm and roll it into a ball here and place it into the plate. Okay, so here my chocolate balls are ready. So here for this I used around 200 ml fresh cream and 100 grams compound chocolate. So I have managed to do around 18 to 20 chocolate balls. So now it's time to garnish. I'm using some cashew nuts. You can use any garnish of your choice. You can use some pistachio or walnuts or some colorful sprinklers or anything that is available with you. Since I have cashew nuts with me, I'm going to use cashew nuts. Trust me, it's going to taste yum. If you have children in your home, they are surely going to love this. You can do this quick and easy recipe for your birthday parties or any occasion. With this just two ingredients, you are surely going to get a quick and easy dessert. So I have garnished my chocolate balls with one cashew nut. So now it's time to refrigerate these chocolate balls for around 30 minutes in the deep freezer. So here my toffee balls are ready. They are out of the refrigerator and they are nice, hard and stiff. As you can see See how hard it is. See, I'm pressing it quite hard around all the sides. It is nice and hard now. So they are ready to serve. So if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will give me more motivation to make such easy and quick recipes. Till then, stay safe, bye bye and take care.